It's not just about buying a condom, it's not just having the condom in the house. The big question is, can you actually use the condom correctly? If you cannot, or you have been using it and you are not sure if that is the right way to use a condom, I think I will advise you watch this particular video till the end. So this is a particular condom I got from the pharmacy, and so the first thing to do when you get the condom out is actually to check the expiring date, which is here. You check the expiring date. This particular condom is expiring on the 12th, 2029, which shows that it's still effective. The next thing for you to do is to check for damage. Is it damaged in any form? No. You check if there's air. You can notice that you see that there's air. But if you buy a condom and it is flat, then you press it, there is no air in it, then there's a possibility that that condom is damaged. But while pressing it, you can see, you can even feel it. Sorry, not seal it. You can feel that there is a L. So when the next thing to do is actually to tear the condom. And when tearing the condom open, you don't need to use a scissors. You don't need to use your teeth. You have to use your hand to actually tear the condom quietly, or kindly move the condom to one side to make it easy. Then just cut across. It's very easy. You don't. It's not something that requires a sharp object to actually cut. Then you cut across, then you bring it out. So this is the condom. The condom is out, right? So the next thing to do, this is the condom. The next thing you have to do is to pinch the tip. You're taking the air, you pinch the tip, because that place you pinch is actually where the sperm is going to go away, and it's not advisable for air to be there, because when there is air, it can increase the risk for tear and breakage. So I don't really have an erect penis, the structure. So what I have is a cucumber. I'm going to be using this for an erect penis. So it's advisable for you to put the condom when the penis is erect. Yes, you don't put the condom when the penis is not erect. So I'm just going to improvise and see how much I can go with this. So you hold the tip of the penis, then you put it in. Remember, this is not a penis, so it's going to be difficult for me. I'm just illustrating. You hold this, then you put it in, then roll down. You roll down. Sorry, I'm just going to bring it down a bit so it's easy for me. Okay, I think this is it. Okay, remember, you pinch the tip. You pinch the tip. I think you pinch it, then roll down. So you can see I pinch the tip and roll down. So we have some extra space here, but there is no air. Make sure that there is no air. So you pinch the tip and roll down. This is easy peasy. Then peradventure, or for example, you notice that you wanted to put the condom, you did it wrongly. You did it outside in or inside out. You know what I mean? The other way. And you notice, oh, I did it the wrong way. It's not advisable for you to use that particular condom again. It's advisable for you to get a new condom and use it, because STIs can still be transferred like that. So it's advisable for you to use a fresh condom when you notice that you placed the condom wrongly. So this is how to put the condom in an erect penis. And it's advisable to, when you are done having sex and you want to take the penis out of the vagina, it is not advisable for you to just, oh, take it out. It's advisable for you to use your hand to hold the base of the condom to the tip, and quietly and gently take it out of the vagina. Why? Because if you just take it out, the condom might slip. And when the condoms slip off, it might increase the chances of that person getting pregnant or getting an STI. So I hope this particular video help you understand how to put a condom correctly. If you've not watched our video when it comes to the 12 mistakes people make when it comes to the use of condom, what am I using when it comes to? But anyway, if you've not watched our video on the 12 mistakes people make with the use of condom, I would advise you to check our YouTube channel, watch that video, and avoid those 12 mistakes. Thank you very much for staying tuned. Thank you very much for watching this video. Kindly click on the subscribe button, like, share, and drop a comment. Let me know if you learned something new today. Bye, and see you in our next video.